I said this and to a technology firm recently that if you're building AI native games, expect to have to build some of the infrastructure yourself. You could probably build a prototype without doing that. But if you want to take something to market, if you want to like really push the boundaries, you will almost certainly get your hands more dirty than you expect. Now, will that be true next year or 2 or 3 years from now? I think the question is exactly what you said, Rich. Is that investment going to happen? Are we going to see new and better tools? The other challenge I've seen is that games will push the boundaries of everything. They'll push as much into that sack that they can.
Say it, Eric.
You know, they're going to push it as much as they can in there. So one of the reasons I've had a number of conversations with major hyperscalers is that I present an interesting problem. I can look at the numbers that we did at Retail Mage, which is a tiny game, and I can say, look, there's not that many games out here. And maybe someone will be able to create a game that does exactly what Retail Mage and does it like even an order of magnitude more efficiently. Let's even give them that. If Retail Mage was a top 100 Steam game, I would have taken a significant portion of the GPUs of any of these hyperscalers, right? And that was if one game was in the top 100, right? So what if AI games was like 10% of those? Where is that compute even happening? And the type of compute that I could drive, even if we were doing inference, we slowed things down in Retail Mage. So we do inference every couple seconds on average, and a single inference call every couple seconds. But I had prototypes where I would do multiple inference calls a second because that created a player experience that was worth having. But I'm not yet optimized to do that.